The India Meteorological Department has warned that the impact of nor'wester storms will continue across several districts of Odisha over the next 3 days, bringing heavy rainfall, thunderstorms and strong winds. According to the IMD's regional center, orange warnings have been issued for districts including Balasore, Bhadrak, Jajpur, Kendrapada, Cuttack, Jagatsinghpur, Mayurbhanj, Keonjhar, Sundargarh, Nabarangpur, Koraput, Kalahandi and Raigada for Monday. These areas are likely to witness thunderstorms accompanied by lightning, heavy rain and gusty winds reaching speeds of 50 to 60 km per hour. Hailstorms are also expected at isolated places in Mayurbhanj, Keonjhar, Balasore and Raigada. Meanwhile, yellow warnings have been sounded for districts such as Puri, Khurda, Ganjam, Gajapati, Jharsuguda, Bargarh, Sambalpur, Deogarh, Anugol, Dhenkanal, Subarnapur, Baudh, Kandhamal, Nuapada, Bolangir and Malkangiri, where light to moderate rainfall and gusty winds are likely. For Tuesday, the IMD has again issued orange alerts for Sundargarh, Sambalpur, Deogarh, Mayurbhanj, Keonjhar, Balasore and Jharsuguda, indicating continued severe weather activity. The Weather Office has forecast that rainfall activity is likely to persist across the state till May 9, urging residents to remain cautious, avoid open areas during lightning, and follow safety advisories issued by local authorities. Bureau Report, Orissapost Live.